Here we have a Lenovo Helix. We're going to open it up and explore the insides. For today's disassemble, you only need a Phillips head screwdriver and a prying tool to remove the LCD screen from the back. We start prying at where the on button is, or where the pen is, as it's the easiest place to start prying. There's no screws holding the screen down to the back, so it's prying only just to remove the screen from the back. Now that we have finished prying all the sides, open it up gently, as there's 3 cables attached to the screen to the back. We need to remove all the cables attached to the motherboard, which is, on your view, the left hand side. Everything attached to the left hand side must be removed so the motherboard can be removed. Remember to take a look at it before you start removing cables, as there are a lot of cables. There's the battery, there's the web camera, there's the microphone, there's the cabling from the bottom I/O to the motherboard, there's the backlight, there's the Windows button. So there's a lot of things. And there are 5 antenna cables for the wireless and the broadband, not broadband, sorry about that, the mobile wireless as well. So there's the battery, that's the fan. At the bottom is the board for all the ports, which is your charger, USB, card reader, SIM card, that's web camera. There are 4 screws holding the motherboard down. This is screw 1. Screw 2, screw 3, screw 4, these cables I'm pulling off now are the antenna cables for the wireless and the mobile wireless card. There are 5 of them, 3 for the wireless and 2 for the mobile wireless, which is 3G or 4G. As you can see now that once everything's removed, you pry it gently. It should just come off. As you can see, I'm struggling to take it off as I have forgot to remove a part which is attached to the bottom ports. As you can see, the heatsink is copper, and if you follow the line on the bottom, there's a copper as well. The heatsink is attached to the bottom I/O as well, which needs to be removed. And now we have successfully removed the motherboard. Let's see what's on it. That's the M-SATA slot, your hard drive. That's your wireless card, and that's the mobile wireless card. That's where your CPU is underneath, and that's your battery. And that's about it. Remember to take, when opening, open gently, as there's cables at the back of the LCD screen. Also, remember when you open it up, before you remove the cables, I recommend you guys to take a picture of it so you know where each cable goes, or look at it again. Think about it, then look at it again, see if you remember where each cable goes. That's about it. Thanks for watching my video.